Hey everyone, it is Emery. I hope y'all are having a great day. I cannot believe that our holiday open house is this Thursday here in Memphis. We are so excited and cannot wait to help y'all kick off the holiday season. So we are going to kick off the festivities this Thursday night from 6 to 8 p.m. and then it will run through the weekend. We have a bunch of fun things in the works, so just wanted to run through some of those so you don't miss it and you know what's going on. First things first, surprise, surprise, we are doing mystery bags for the first 50 people in line. So the first 50 people will receive one of these bags. Each bag is gonna have a sweet little surprise tucked inside, and then one of the bags is gonna have an $1,000 gift card tucked inside. Yes, you heard that right. There is a $1,000 gift card tucked inside one of these bags, and there will be one lucky winner. So make sure that you get here early to secure your goods. Same rules will apply for any of our giveaways. It's going to be one bag per household per person, and then you can't get out of line. So make sure that you go to the bathroom, have a snack before you hop in line. So that's super fun. We're really excited about that. And then we're also doing our huge tablescape giveaway that's valued over $2,000. Basically, we are helping y'all get ready for a Christmas party. So we are going to donate an 8-piece place setting, which includes, your dinner plates, Edibi Christmas salad bowls, glassware, napkins, napkin rings, placemats. Small Cakes Collierville is doing a cake that will sit on top of an anti-glass cake stand. And then Kara from Caramelized is going to do an appetizer and then a demo for said appetizer, so that way you know how to make it later on in the season. So with every $100 purchase, you'll get entered to win that giveaway. We will draw the winner Saturday night, so you'll have Thursday, Friday, and Saturday to enter. So make sure you come in multiple days for your better chance to enter. And then we're also doing super cute holiday open house t-shirts. So with every purchase of $100 or more, you're gonna get one of these t-shirts. They're super soft. They have a really cute design on them. You're gonna love wearing them all season long. So again, we're gonna kick off the festivities Thursday night from 6 to 8 p.m. It'll run through the weekend. We've got Tracy from Virtue here to do a trunk show. We're gonna have cocktails and sweet treats, and it is just gonna be a fantastic night. We can't wait to help y'all kick off the holiday season, check off your Christmas list, and help spread some holiday cheer. So we look forward to seeing you then. If you have any questions in the meantime, just let us know. Bye, y'all.